ready for this? So I'm grabbing these from Michael's. These are DIY ornaments and they're all 50% off. So I grabbed some small ones and I'm gonna put some baby's breath in here because I have some baby's breath at home. And then I might put some eucalyptus in this one. Not sure yet, but they have good selections. I think I like these too, but I'm not sure if I like the shape. I don't know if I'm into the color. Let's see. Let's see what else we can find. This is the last round. This wreath is $9.99, or I'm thinking about getting that one. $6.99 for that one. I'm not sure. Tell me if you like this one. And then I'm just getting some more fillers for the tree. I thought this was cute. And I think that's it. I have enough ornaments at home. Are you ready for this? Home Sense had the best assortment of ornaments, so I got these guys. These are by Christian Siriano, which, as many of you know, he's a fashion designer. I got these by 34th and Pine, but if you can see, this one here is broken. So I just asked them to give me a discount, and they did. So they took 10% off for that broken ornament. These are also by 34th and Pine too. I thought these would be nice accents on the tree. And whatever I don't use, I could use another year. I just like to get good ornaments when I see them. These were $6.99. These end up being $13.50 from $14.99 because of the 10% off since that one's broken. And these were $12.99. And then I got this ribbon. Where did I get this one from? Okay, this one I got from Home Sense too, this gold ribbon. And I got this kind of like, it's like, it reminds me of like the tree bark, like when you cut the tree. So I got this guy, and I'm thinking about layering the ornaments. Thinking about layering the ribbon together. And I also got this guy too. There's one missing from Home Goods. I think it's still in the car. Yep, I think it's still in the car. But yeah, and then I got the antlers that I really wanted for the tree from Michael's, and they were all like, I think 60% off of all the ornaments and all the tree accessories. So I bought 2 of these. I'm gonna see how it looks on the tree. If I don't like it, it's going right back to the store. And then I got these clear DIY ornaments. I'm just gonna fill them up with baby's breath because I have some from a bouquet that Michael bought for me 2 weeks ago. So we're just gonna recycle. Right, baby? Okay. Let's go decorate. I'm just making some DIY ornaments with this baby's breath. This is leftover from a bouquet that Michael bought for me. So we're just recycling.
Would they be that precise but not take?
kind of want to fix this guy. Alright, I am not done just yet, but I am loving how the tree is coming out. And these are the ornaments that I just DIY'd with eucalyptus and baby's breath in here. And then I have another one up here which is just baby's breath, but I think I'm gonna put some eucalyptus in here so it can stand out more because you could barely see the baby's breath. And then those little oh my god, what do you call them again? The thingies that I got from Joann, I stuck them at the top. Instead of having like a tree topper, I did something different this year. I really love how it looks. And the rest of them, I just stuck them throughout the tree, as you can see there. And these are the ornaments I showed you guys that I got from HomeSense today. It's so pretty. I'm so happy because I really wanted to have a neutral tree and I was not sure how it's gonna come out, but I really love the way it looks. And this ribbon from Michaels is so pretty. I just need to kind of like give it some shape a little bit more, but it is looking really good. And look at this one from HomeSense as well. I think these were the Christian Siriano ornaments, but it looks so good. Then we need to work on the skirt situation. So I'm gonna get a ribbon, a 10-inch ribbon, 10-inch wide, and use that as the skirt as opposed to getting an actual tree skirt, because I think tree skirts are just like, they're just so expensive, the ones that I like at least, and it doesn't make sense. I don't think it makes sense for me to do. So I'm just gonna get the ribbon and then put the ribbon at the bottom, but I have to order it because I just saw one on Amazon that I think will work out. But I am loving the tree. There is one more thing that I bought today from Joann, but I don't think I'm going to use it because it's just too, I don't know, it's too pinkish, reddish. I think I'm going to return it. It was on sale. Probably was like 90 something cents, but I really have, I don't know, what do we think? Should I keep this or not? Let me know. Maybe it can go at the top with the topper and make more of a statement there. I don't think so. DJ, what do we think? Huh, Billy? What do we think? What do we think? Do you like this guy? Huh? I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel. And I only have two, so I think it might be a topper moment. What do we think? Let a girl know. Let me know what you guys think. I have 30 days. Oh! I have a lifetime to return that thing. So guys, let me know what we think before the end of my days. That's the deal. Tell me what we think about this little thingy before the end of my days, because I have a lifetime to return it. And what else? So this is the tree. Actually, it looks quite nice near the topper, so I think I'm gonna keep it. I might move this one somewhere else, maybe move that up a little more, I don't know, but it adds a nice little accent to this area. And obviously those two antlers are a little wonky, so I'll fix it. I think this one needs to stick up some more, but this is looking good. Let's see how it looks with the lights on. So here's the tree with these little thingies in it. I think I might keep them. And I'm gonna put this that way so that it goes like that. I'm gonna fix that, but it's looking good. And let's see it with the lights on.